welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be beginning with carbohydrates. In this video, we will study about its definition, classification, structure, functions, and sources. So what is the definition of carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are the organic compounds that consist of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They are polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones. Their general formula is CH2O whole N, where N represents the number of carbon atoms present in the molecule. Example C6H12O6, formula of glucose, which is a monosaccharide. Carbohydrates are one of the major classes of biomolecules required for normal function of body. In simple words, it is a body fuel. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for living organisms. They form an essential component of human diet and widely distribute in plants and animals. Now let's move to the classification. Carbohydrates are classified based on their chemical complexity and number of sugar units. They are divided into simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates includes monosaccharides and disaccharides, while complex carbohydrates include polysaccharides. Monosaccharides are the simplest form of carbohydrates. They consist of single sugar unit and it cannot be further hydrolyzed into smaller carbohydrates. They directly absorb in intestine and serve as an immediate source of energy. The common example of monosaccharides includes glucose, galactose, and fructose. The above picture is the structure of those monosaccharides. And the next carbohydrate would be disaccharides. Disaccharides composed of two monosaccharides joined together. They are formed by the condensation reaction during which one molecule of water is released and the two monosaccharides are linked by a glycosidic bond. The given picture explains how a glucose molecule and a fructose molecule, monosaccharides, join together, removing an H2O and forming a glycosidic bond to form a sucrose, that is disaccharide. And this is a list of disaccharides with their monomers, which join together to form a disaccharide. Now, disaccharides are also classified into reducing and non-reducing sugar based on their ability to undergo oxidation reduction reaction. Reducing sugars are the disaccharides in which one of the monosaccharide units has a free hemiacetyl group. This free hemiacetyl group can open to form an aldehyde group, allowing sugar to act as a reducing agent. Therefore, disaccharides such as maltose are classified as reducing sugars. In contrast, non-reducing sugar do not possess a free hemiacetyl group. This is because of the glycosidic bond is formed between the anomeric carbons of both monosaccharides, resulting in acetyl linkage. Hence, no free acetyl group is available. These sugars cannot act as reducing agents. Next carbohydrate is oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides are composed of 3 to 10 monosaccharide units linked together by glycosidic bond. They are intermediate in between disaccharides and polysaccharides. Oligosaccharides are commonly found as a component of glycoproteins and glycolipids, where they play important role in cell recognition and communication. These are the few given examples. Next carbohydrate is polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are the complex carbohydrates composed of more than 10 monosaccharide units linked together by glycosidic bond. Based on the type of monosaccharide unit present, polysaccharides are classified into homopolysaccharides and heteropolysaccharides. Homopolysaccharides are polysaccharides composed of only one type of monosaccharide unit, commonly glucose. Starch is storage form of carbohydrates in plant, glycogen is storage form in animals, and cellulose provides structural support to the plant cells. The example given here is cellulose, which is a polymer chain of glucose. Heteropolysaccharides are composed of two or more different types of monosaccharide units. They are mainly branched chains and form a big branch chain. They mainly perform structural and protective functions in the body. Examples such as hyaluronic acid, heparin, etc. Now we will learn about what are the functions of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for human body. It provides 4 kilocalories per gram of carbohydrates. They exhibit a protein sparing action, meaning adequate carbohydrate intake prevent protein from being used as energy source. Carbohydrates also help in complete oxidation of fat and prevent ketosis. The excess carbohydrates are stored as glycogen in the liver and muscles for future energy need. And certain carbohydrates perform structural roles such as cellulose in plant cell walls. Dietary fibers, a form of carbohydrates, aids in digestion, improve bowel movements, and helps to maintain the gut health. Now we will see the sources of carbohydrates. Different carbohydrates are obtained from different food sources, such as glucose is commonly found in fruits such as grapes, honey, and it is also present in blood sugar. Fructose occurs naturally in fruits and honey, while galactose is obtained from milk as a component of lactose. Among disaccharides, sucrose is found in sugarcane, sugar beet, and table sugar. Lactose is present in milk and milk products, and maltose occurs in germinating cereals and during the digestion of starch. And among polysaccharides, starch is found in cereals, potatoes, roots, and pulses. Glycogen is stored in the liver and muscles in the form of glucose in animals, and cellulose is present in the vegetable and whole grains as dietary fibers. So that was a complete overview of carbohydrates from their classification to their function and sources. Carbohydrates plays a crucial role in providing energy, maintaining structure, and supporting growth and development. If you found this video useful, like it, share it with your classmates, and subscribe for more nutrition and biochemistry topics. Thank you.